In this video, we're going to discuss how do we invite guardians so that they can get a weekly or daily summary of their students' work in Google Classroom. So we're starting at our test class main page, and if I click over on people, it will bring me to all my students, and then you'll see this little button that says Invite Guardians. So if I click on Invite Guardians, I can type the name or type the email address of the person's parents or guardians that I want, and then I just click invite, and then it will say invited. I can add multiple people to the student. So if I want to add another guardian, I just click on this and say invite guardians again, and it will invite another guardian and stack them on top of there. So I could like add my school address here, and it will, oops, that's not going to be right because it doesn't like that one. So it will stack it on there. So if you have a student has more than one guardian, I can say invite, and then you'll see that this person has 2 guardians right here. So then on the parent side, if I go to the parent side, this is what it looks like. They will get a message that says, get Google Classroom email summaries for your student. So they just need to click on this, and if they go down, it says you've been invited to be a guardian in Google Classroom, and you either accept or you say, no, I'm not the guardian. If they choose I'm not the guardian, you will have to go back in and type another email address. But if you go ahead and hit accept, and then it says, are you sure this is the right account? You just hit accept again, and they will be brought to this classroom. And then they can't actually see what's in Classroom, but they can choose when they want to see the emails. So they can choose weekly or daily, or they can choose no summaries whatsoever. Most people will want to choose weekly, and when they choose weekly, it will look something like this. So it will send them one email, and it will tell them the week that it's for, and it will show them all their classes. So this person has missing or from last week work, and it'll show you the due date, tells you what class. So they have a U.S. history class and an English and American Lit that are overdue, and notice it's in red, so it'll show them right away. And then due next week is in history and marine biology. They have something to do. And class activities from last week, they still have some stuff that they need to do. They have an assignment, they have a question. In U.S. history and American Lit, they have something that is due, and it tells them. So this is when you type in the instructions in your assignment, this is what parents will see. So if you want to type in instructions, that's what they'll see. They also see the announcements, so don't forget you got homework due, and then marine biology is listed under there. So they'll get one email that has all of their summary of what is due or not due. Now, once they have accepted, so we'll go back into the People Test Classroom. Once they have accepted, get this going here. So you'll notice that it says Kim Carlson. I don't have invited anymore, but this still says invited, my school email, because I haven't accepted on that point. Now, if Fred is in more than one class, which he is, all the parent has to do, so we'll go to Fred's other class, is accept it once. One teacher just needs to put in the email, and Fred is already, his guardians are automatically filled in all his classrooms. So just one person needs to enter the emails for the parents, and then once they accept, it will disseminate out to all the rest of the classes. So that is what it looks like to invite a parent or a guardian.